Only in West Virginia you have a hot pepper stuffed with a hot dog with a special sauce, right, Mom? Hi guys, we just got home. It quit raining, and anyways, we took a little bit of a country drive. The fall colors on these roads were so pretty, and we went out to some friend's house to deliver some homemade apple cider. And then we went to Aldi's because I had to gather all the ingredients I need for all the upcoming recipe videos I'm going to be doing. And then we went and had a couple chili dogs, which means I had hot dogs twice today. So yeah, we had hot dogs twice, but that's okay because you can't live in West Virginia without having a good hot dog. I mean, it's just the way it is. My mom got me some new, I don't know if you can see those, cowgirl boots for the wedding. The wedding that's going to happen this Saturday is my friend's wedding, and it's like cowboy themed, you know, jeans, flannel shirts, cowboy boots, that kind of thing. Anyways, I've got like a flannel looking dress, and then I'm gonna wear those boots with it, and I think it'll look really cute. So I'm looking forward to that. The rehearsal dinner is going to be Friday night, and so I'll probably take you guys along on that on another day in the life. But I just thought, you know what, since I was here, I would do a day in the life, or try to, every single day while I'm here, because I want to remember and make memories, you know, for myself, because my parents are getting older and I'm getting older, and you know, it'd be nice to look back on when I came and stayed with my parents for a little while, and so that's why I'm doing it. And I hope you guys enjoy the footage. I do have some fun things in store this week, and maybe into the beginning of next week, so we'll see what happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and it might be short. I don't know how much footage I got, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Bye.